Welcome back. Now, when you are inside of your live stream, there is one link that you can use in order to share to other places, and that's at the bottom of your right-hand corner. So, for example, if you look to the right-hand corner and you click this hyperlink, you can take that link and you can post that to other places. Now, the other link you can share is going to be available to you when you have this setting enabled inside of your live stream, and that is to promote on my channel page when the event is live. That means then that if you're sharing your channel page, the individual will be able to watch your live stream on this page. Now, the link that you're going to share that will be permanent will be your channel link and the word live after it. So for example, in this case, you'll see the channel name and then you'll see the word live after it. And this is where your visitors will be able to come whenever you have a live stream. And that live stream will be playing here on your front page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.